What if your garden could give you fresh citrus fruits in every season? Juicy oranges, tangy lemons, refreshing limes. Sounds amazing, right? Let's make it real. Let's start with spring. Spring is perfect for lemon trees. Varieties like Lisbon and Eureka begin flowering early and give harvests from spring to summer. They love full sunlight, well-drained soil, and very simple care. Ideal for beginners. Now comes summer. This is when oranges shine the most. Valencia oranges thrive in heat with good sunlight and regular watering. A little pruning helps improve fruit size and sweetness, and the results are truly rewarding. During the monsoon season, enter the resilient lime. Kagzi lime handles humidity very well. Just remember, good drainage is key to avoid root rot. Do this right and you'll have fresh limes all through the rains. As the weather cools, autumn and winter arrive. This is the season for mandarins and grapefruit. Kinno and Nagpur mandarins are sweet, easy to peel, and highly popular. Grapefruit varieties like Ruby Red enjoy mild winters. Just protect them from frost. Quick citrus care tips. Give your trees 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Use well-drained soil. Water deeply but not too often. Feed with a balanced citrus fertilizer. And keep an eye on pests using organic methods. That's it. With the right citrus crop in the right season, your garden can become a year-round citrus paradise. Fresh, healthy, and truly satisfying. Like the video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming knowledge.